So I might ask a follow-up with respect to that, just based on one of the questions that was asked. And I think you've hit upon it in part, talking about your work experience and some of the community involvement. But someone from the crowd wanted to know about pro bono legal services as part of community service. Can you talk about any type of pro bono type activities that exist, and maybe discuss that, with the public that might not understand, what that means?
Well, in Ohio, well, across the entire country, if you are charged with a crime that is jailable, you are entitled to appointed counsel if you are unable to afford counsel, and that's the public defender's office. In this county, we handle the majority of all the criminal cases. So if anybody in this county is charged with a crime, anything that's jailable, so that includes civil contempt cases, so not failure to pay child support, for example. It's not a crime, and it's not a criminal offense, but it is a offense for which you can go to jail for contempt. Anything that's jailable, you are entitled to appointed counsel. And we in the public defender's office in this county, we handle all of those cases. Where the aspect of pro bono comes about are in civil cases where there is no right under our Constitution as ruled by the United States Supreme Court to have the right to counsel to be appointed to you without cost. In this county, we have a Legal Aid Society of Cleveland that does provide some services. I understand the concerns of citizens in this county for more types of programming, to have free legal assistance for civil cases, for domestic relations cases, for landlord-tenant cases. As the former president of the Bar Association, we constantly struggle with that. And in the Bar Association, we do have a pro bono committee, and we do have clinics, and we do attempt to provide free legal services. But that is a struggle. But if you are charged with a crime, you are entitled to those legal services.